What's up, guys? I don't know if you guys heard, but guess what? We are finally doing it. I've been planning all summer on doing this, and I am finally finished. I am ready. I got the itinerary. I got everything I need to get this done. We have the 5-figure phone flipping academy masterclass available right now for $28 today. After today, it's going up to $50. I cannot tell you enough how excited I am to get this started. I am dedicating myself to making sure people are making 5 figures at least with phone flipping. We are not only going to sit there and go over the phone flipping academy one-on-one course, we're also going to go over how you can find the cheapest deals, how you can connect with buyers, how I find buyers, how I find customers that literally have generated me over $20,000 individually, how I find them, how you can find them. We're going to go over AIRPOD, go over MERCARIs, go over all of the different websites that you can find phones over in your area. I'm going to be working with you guys individually. I'm going to be working with you guys as a collective. We're going to be talking about different strategies, and also I'm going to give you guys the system that I use to make sure that I am making over 6 figures a year. I am also going to be holding you guys accountable. I'm going to give you guys the push you need. We're going to literally excel and 10x your business literally today. I don't care if you don't know how to flip phones. This is the class to be, because you get the phone flipping academy in this class as well. Guess what? If you're somebody that knows how to flip phones and you do this on a regular basis, this is the class to be, because it's always good to sharpen your tools. Iron sharpens iron. Surround yourself around like-minded individuals. Guys, I'm telling you right now, $28, that is more than enough for you guys to be able to get in here and make this money work for you. And $50, listen, I don't want nobody to pay $50, but guys, there are limited slots available, because I do want to pay attention to each of you individually and make sure that I'm helping every single one of you. It's 2 classes, 1 price. We are getting it done starting August 15th. I can't wait to see you guys. I'll see you there. Thank you to everybody that has already registered. The link is below. This course can be found on IamHustlersMindset.com. Guys, make sure you click that link. Make sure you get your registration started, and we will send you the link right after you purchase. I cannot wait, guys. Let's run it up. 5 figures. That is you. Let's speak it into existence. So let's get it done. Peace.